just changing the water pump, but this is a good example as to why you do not just put basic tap water in your cooling system. Give your hand, man. Look at that. That is rusted as fuck. And that's the old water pump. And this is the new one that we're putting on. So yeah, it's fixable. I'm just gonna flush it. So what are we doing, Aiden?
We've popped the oil pan to see what kind of bullshit's in there.
So this is...
Look at this gunk, dude. Fuck.
Yeah, man. This was in the...
That's rubber. We're changing the seals and stuff. We're changing the rear. I think it's the rear seal.
Yeah, so we're doing the gearbox seals.
And the rear main seal and the...
Rear main seal.
Yeah, we're gonna leave the front.
And the sump.
Because it's kind of fucked. But yeah, we're doing this. Changing this shit to make it all hardy.
It looks pretty clean though, eh?
Yeah.
Dude, like everything's sitting on the bottom here, but...
Oh, my hand, dude. That's fucked.
Yeah, that's fucked, but the rest of it, it does look pretty clean.
Yeah,
Wait, don't touch it with your gloves, just wait.
Just let that all drip out, dude.
Yeah. So we're gonna dry it out.
Well, yeah, it's pretty much mint. Run my hand through it. No bearings, no shards of metal, nothing, which is a good sign.
That's what it should look like.
And this and all that's all smooth and lubricate, you know.
Well,
Nice
it shouldn't look exactly like this, because this is just gunk and shit, moisture.
Yeah,
but
yeah, it's done.
But yeah,
so
it's
we're gonna
clean.
reseal it, done, pop it on, finish.
So yeah, we're gonna do the seals now. So we're just putting the gearbox mounts on, and to do that you have to drop the engine a bit lower first. So that's the first mount that you usually put back on once the engine is in. And now we're going to raise it and mount the gearbox and the back mount there. We're going to line it up. So let's get to it. Got everything plugged in, wired up just about. Got to do the positive and negative, grounds, all that. Plug it into the starter motor. Lost a few clamps and stuff, so tomorrow I need to get a new clamp for the air intake. There we go. Yeah, otherwise everything's done. Just about. We're just building up oil pressure before we actually crank her, so we got the dizzy off. So we're doing 20-second blips, just get the oil pressure built up.
Hold it! fucking shit, bro! What the fuck? Slow that shit down, bro. That's much faster. Holy fucking, that's insane.
Oh, fucking hell, good run, man. Holy shit.
Oh my god, dude, that's faster than before. That's actually quite the improvement.